Hi and welcome to another dang cool video. My name is Christian and in today's video we're actually going to have some fun with an Amazon Echo. I'm planning to do a quick unboxing for you guys and then we'll try to set it up and start asking questions. I mean, why else would you buy an Alexa powered Echo if you can't just mess with her a bit? But anyway, this is the black model, and other than that I don't really know much more about it, but let's find out. Now that I've taken it out of the box, I can definitely say I'm impressed. It has a really nice weight and feeling to it. The fabric that's on the outside is very nice and robust, seemingly robust. The bottom is rubberized, which is useful, and the top, the buttons are very clicky. Now I think the next step is to try and turn it on and set it up with the Alexa app. Ooh. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing, man. What?
Hello, your Amazon Echo is ready for setup.
Hi Alexa, blah blah blah.
You've connected to Echo. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
What? Connect to Wi-Fi? Oh, my Wi-Fi password. Connect, please. Man, oh man.
2 hours later.
Where are you, Alexa? Ooh, what? I think now it's set up and I should avoid saying the word Alexa, what's cooking for dinner?
Sorry, I don't know that.
How do you not know that? I don't even... whatever. I haven't had too much experience with the smart assistants, but I think the aim of something like that is to have that extra ability which you can just search for things or ask things or play music or whatever, just because it's that bit easier when you just use your voice instead of having to go to your phone and do something. Or even nowadays with Amazon and the Echo, it's possible to order stuff right on the spot. You can order something from Amazon or you can get a pizza from Domino's, and the possibilities are endless. So now that we have the Echo set up, I think the obvious next step is to ask some weird and difficult questions. Alexa, how do you cook spaghetti carbonara?
Here's Recipedia from the food and drink category. Welcome to Recipedia. You can search by dish your Alexa app for all the search options. Email, so link your account first. What do you fancy cooking?
Spaghetti carbonara, mate.
Okay, how about spaghetti carbonara? This recipe takes 10 minutes to prep. It serves 4 and is easy difficulty. You can hear the
I
details
don't care,
or
man.
hear another.
Okay, shut up.
Goodbye.
Yes. Alexa, tell me a joke.
How is a pony like a sore throat? They're both the little horse.
Alexa, tell me a good joke.
Why did the banana go out with the prune? Because he couldn't find a date.
Damn, son! Alexa, what is the population of London?
According to the most recent available data from 2017, the population of London, England is 8.83 million.
Wow, okay, 8 million. Alexa, can you calculate the square root of 173?
The square root of 173 is 13.1529464338.
Okay, not that I needed that. Alexa, are you a human?
I'm an AI.
Such a disappointment. I was thinking she would joke about it. Alexa, can you rap for me?
Connect, sync, link all the pieces of your Li-Fi. Get it done at the speed of Wi-Fi. I'm the player, the coach, the arena, and the game. If you want something done, you just got to say my name.
Alexa, how long is a half marathon?
A half marathon is 13.1 miles.
Alexa, what's that in kilometers?
1 half marathon is 21.098 kilometers.
She
Did that answer your
remembers!
question?
She remembers! What? Nice.
Thanks for your feedback.
She knows! Oh my god. There is one thing that you must, absolutely must do when you get an Amazon Echo. It's Alexa, play Despacito.
Despacito Remix by Luis Fonsi and Daddy Yankee.
Okay, I think I got a bit carried away there, but let's go back to business. Actually, I'm quite impressed with how good the speaker sounds. It's really nice, and I feel like it's, as long as it's not like a mega big party you're trying to plan, the Echo is quite adequate for filling up an entire room. It's definitely on the baser side, or at least maybe because of the place on the table I've left it, but I'm impressed. It's really nice, and it can definitely replace a small Bluetooth speaker you have, which doesn't have the brain as the Echo does. Overall, I think that the Amazon Echo is something that definitely has its place in the modern day home. It's a great device which offers a lot of help for some small tasks that are part of your everyday lives. And also, it works quite well as a speaker that you can play music on. I mean, it's a really good package, especially knowing how much development has gone into designing and making the AI behind this device. And it's really nice to see that it's something which is so well integrated within the entire Amazon ecosystem. This allows you to order stuff right on the spot, and it works well. I mean, you can't really go wrong with getting yourself an Amazon Echo. And this particular one, which is the second generation, is amazing. I think that has been pretty much everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe if you wish. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I can't resist. Alexa, say my name. Dinku.